Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be doing a Lacoste unboxing. So I purchased a lot of stuff from Lacoste during Black Friday sales. So I got it in this really big box right here. The box is so huge. So I mean the shopping bag. So I'm just going to show you a little bit of the items that I purchased during the sale. So let me start with, oh wow, this is huge. So I have several shirts here. So let me just start with this shirt right here. So first I got this shirt. So let me just put this one on the side. So this shirt is actually, I got a shirt on my favorite sport. Just love tennis. So I got this one and this, what color is this? It's in green though. Wow, this one is 100% cotton, and I am a fan of a Lacoste shirt. I mean, I love the quality of their stuff, and yeah, I think it's really soft. And this material is really thick though, really nice. This one is made of a very nice quality materials. So this is the first item. It has a tennis here. I'm a tennis fan. I love tennis so much. I almost probably watched the entire season this year. Yeah, even though that some of the Grand Slam has been canceled, but it's always, every single time I watch every tennis. So the next item, oh yeah, this is just a shirt, and sometimes that size is this. Sometimes this is size small, and wow, it's really soft. The material, I think this is Pima though. This was in a light pink. Well, yeah, Pima cotton. Very, very soft. Sometimes I wear this one just at home because this one is this small. This particular type of, I think this is a regular fit though. Yeah, this is a regular fit, so it seems to be big for me. This is small. And on Lacoste, I usually buy extra small and XX small, XXS. Though extra small, so that's my size, but this is small and it looks so big though, but I love how soft it is. So I usually just wear this when I am at home or just run errands real quick, and so soft. And the good thing is I got this for around $20 if I'm not mistaken. So moving on to the next item. Oh, this one is already ripped though. So this one is another shirt, and this one is just plain red V as well, and this is size small, so more likely I will just be wearing this at home. The material that they use for this, the cotton, is really, really comfortable. It's soft, and if you're just wearing this at home, this would be perfect. Well, it could be anywhere, but I like wearing this just inside the house, just to be comfy. This one is so beautiful, so perfect. So on the next item, let me just put this one in here. The next item, okay, this one is another red color. Wow, love the red. So this is more likely something that this is a little bit more of a body fit type, and this is size 4. So I love it. It's really stretchy though, and yeah, the material seems to be really nice for this. So this one is not as soft as the other one, but this one seems to look more of a body fit though. Very cute, very lovely. And yes, this one, I got this one. It's a really good price. So I've got quite a lot. And also this one, I like this color as well. And this color is this one. Just like this color. This is more of like a aqua blue color. I love it. Just you could just wear it home, or yeah, it could be like, yeah, I love the cloth. I love the material. So I still have more items here. Wow. It looks like I purchased quite a lot. It's quite a bit. So another one here. I have another shirt as well. This one is the XX extra small. I love it. And this one is my favorite. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Wow. For the love of tennis, definitely this is such a really nice shirt, guys. Very soft. Wow. I love it. Love it. Love it so much. I'm a big tennis fan, and I think this is such a... I got this one in a good price as well. It's still a little bit pricey, but it's just around at least a little over $50, the tennis ones. But yeah, the material is really thick. It has a really good quality. And next, I have, the next is gonna be, this is a purse, because since we are in a pandemic at the moment, I usually wear my Lacoste. I have a Lacoste purse, which I have been using it every single day. And I decided to purchase another one, because this is a Carefree bag, and I got it in red color. Wow, this is so cute. Really nice. So this is just the color, and I like that this is size small. This is more of like a on the smaller side, petite side, and I like that this is Carefree. I don't know what this one is made up of, but I think if I got sanitizer in this bag, I would worry less, because I don't think this color though, if I put any, like, if ever I got hand sanitizer in this. But so far with my purse, with my other Lacoste purse, that one didn't have, but I've always been so careful. But I'm just gonna use this to go to the market, like that. This is just like to go bag where we're free, carefree. But the handle's made up of leather. So yeah, I still have to be careful wearing this, not to get hand sanitizer in it. But yeah, I got this probably around $60 for this. Yeah, this is really nice. I love the color. The color is so pretty. It's so pretty. So yeah, so if you happen to actually, I think they were still on sale right now. I think until the end of this year for the year-end sale. So sometimes with Lacoste, it's a little bit confusing, because I did order a lot of stuff online. That was Cyber Monday, I think, and I ordered maybe around 10 different items, and they only ship quite a few, probably 3 out of 10, because it's sold out. But the problem is, like, it took them a few days to ship the item, like almost like a week though. You have to wait for a long time, and I wasn't really happy with the sale, because though a lot of them were canceled, and then I went back to the website and it's available again. So I don't know why they did not fulfill the order, but it's already back to the original price though. But that's really very confusing sometimes, that if they can't fulfill the order, they should have just let us know the next day, so at least we'll be able to move on and look for something else, an alternative as a gift, because I have purchased quite a few as a gift, and it turned out to be that they're just canceling it for because they could not fulfill the order because it has been sold out. So some of these so I went to the store, and yeah, I was able to these are all the mixture from online in the store. So I went to the store and I was able to get some of the items, which is a little bit easier because you could actually, they would allow you to not really go to the fitting room, allow you to just look at the item if this was be a perfect size for you or not, which is quite good. But anyways, this is my Lacoste unboxing. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.